Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your cloud learning journey partner. Recently I was thinking about after this AI revolution, specifically ChatGPT, what's the future of IT job industry? Because if we think about it, now if we just write a few lines like, hey, ChatGPT, write me a code of a particular application, and within few seconds you'll have the code. So it raises a lot of concern. Like this is just one aspect of IT jobs. Like this, some other sectors too. There are a lot of things going on, like the impact of this ChatGPT, the easy process to generate all of these things that previously required a professional IT person. So in this video today, we will try to explore like what's the future of IT job industry after this AI revolution, specifically ChatGPT. So I think for every IT professional, this question definitely crossed their mind because this is happening right now with this revolution. If we don't know exactly which path, which strategy you need to follow to secure a job, to have a better future in IT job industry, then it's very likely that we will get affected. So after watching this video, we'll have a better understanding like how ChatGPT is changing the whole IT job industry and how we can prepare ourselves to embrace this new solution, this new AI revolution. So before starting the discussion, I want to talk a little bit about myself. I am Arif. I do have more than 9 years of experience in cloud computing and cybersecurity. I hold multiple certification in different cloud vendors like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Besides that, I also have extensive experience in cloud security and cybersecurity. This channel is all about cloud computing, cybersecurity, and IT career related tips. So if you're interested in this topic, this channel is definitely for you. I'm going to upload a tons of videos to this topic. So please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming contents. So without further delay, let's start the discussion. So let's discuss a little bit about what is ChatGPT and AI. So ChatGPT is an AI-based solution that uses a very strong foundation model where we have the prompt where we can ask multiple questions like any sort of questions that we want, and ChatGPT gonna come up with an answer. For an example, as an IT person, maybe you want to create an application and you need to write some code. You can just type, like if you want to build a game application, you can type, hey ChatGPT, write me the code of a game, and you can describe what kind of game you want, and within few seconds you will have a complete code. Not only that, like if you are facing any error, you need to do a troubleshooting of a code, you can just use ChatGPT to do the troubleshooting, and most of the time it's pretty accurate. It's continuously learning at the back end, so day by day it's getting more and more powerful because people are using it more, so it has more data, and according to it, the result is more accurate. So it's just not only the IT sector that ChatGPT is focusing. In any sector, like if you want to write a storybook, you can give some details like I want a story like this genre, and this is how it should be written, and within few seconds you'll have the complete book. This is scary because it's now making things way simpler, way easier, that like previously if a person need to do this stuff, they have to spend a lot of time, energy. Now it's just with a second things are done. So in like with this kind of superpower, people should be a little bit concerned like about their job. Like for a programmer, like they code, but if the code can be generated in a few seconds, then it's a scary part. So does it mean that ChatGPT and AI will replace all the IT jobs? Well, that's not exactly true, because whenever we are deploying this AI integration, we are working on this, we need to have an infrastructure where we will run the AI models. And most of the time right now, people are using cloud computing to deploy these models. There is a reason behind it, because for this sort of AI integration, we need to have very powerful machines. And if we want to buy it like a server rack or something like that, it's gonna cost a lot. But with the help of cloud computing, we can just deploy it in a few hours, and we are paying more of a like on-demand basis. So we don't have to buy the whole server rack. We can pay by monthly basis or hourly basis. And also it has unlimited resources. So here we can scale up pretty fast in cloud environment. So that's why cloud computing is a sector that we can focus, because most of the AI integration for developing this foundation model, and also train the model with custom data, people are using cloud computing. Even if you notice right now, all the major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, they are launching a lot of AI powered products like Amazon Bedrock, where they have multiple foundation model in a single platform, where you can compare one model to another and try to finalize like which model works best for you. And you can also customize it. You can train your model with the data, and you can have your own perfect solution for AI. So this is pretty great. So that's one field like cloud computing that gonna help you. Like when you're talking about cloud computing right now, we should focus on the AI products that are available under the cloud environment. Recently, I have cleared the AWS AI Practitioner certification, and I was totally amazed with all the AI services that AWS offers. I'm pretty sure the same thing is true for Azure and Google Cloud too. So my suggestion to you is that at at this moment, it's the best thing to adopt the new technology, the AI revolution, and we have to learn some new stuff now. We have to adopt these AI solutions specifically related to cloud computing. So that's one sector that I feel like it's gonna be helpful to learn at this point. But beside that, whenever we're talking about AI integration, sometimes it's very important for us to also know about the security aspect of it, like if it's secure enough to integrate AI with your current infrastructure, current solution. So security is a field, cybersecurity is a field that is always in high demand, because in security field we are ensuring that things are pretty integrated pretty well. There is no security risk, there is no scope of data breach, because if we don't think through, like if we don't take care of the security part, in future we have to pay the price. The brand reputation, the compliance penalty fees is sometimes in millions. So security is also a very important field for now in this AI revolution that is happening right now. And beside that, right now there are a few more sectors that are pretty popular. That is the AI integration, then the AI ethics. Ethics is also a big part of AI, because now it's pretty new, and we need to have some boundaries, some rules and stuff like that, that to make sure this is following the best practices, and it's not causing any harm to human life. So that's why AI ethics is also pretty powerful. So my suggestion to you is that which field, whatever field you're working on, try to learn the AI, the foundation model of that particular field, so that you will be more proficient than before. Because if you think about it, if you use AI, then you can do your job way efficiently. It's in a better way. So I think this is the high time to adopt the AI technology, so that you can be much more productive, and you can also grow with this new AI field. So a good question right now could be like, where should we start to learn this AI? So my suggestion to you is that first start with the basics. So first learn the AI fundamentals and the basics. And the good part is like all the information that you need to learn is totally free on internet. You can see a lot of YouTube channels, a lot of blogs and stuff like that, where you can learn all of these basics, which is pretty great, the power of internet. Once you have the basic at this point, then try to narrow it down to your particular field that you're working. If you're working in the cloud environment, then you try to focus more into AI specific knowledge related to cloud computing. You're in a cybersecurity, then try to integrate the AI aspect of it. So it depends which field you're working on, and once you figure it out, then try to create a roadmap, like how you're preparing to learn that particular field related to AI. And after that, try to come up with some certification lists. I know it's still new, the AI, but there are many certification related to AI right now, like that are industry focused. So for cloud, I have already passed one, and I'm planning to learn more and more about the AI aspect of cloud computing. So please do the same in your field, and once you have some certification list, then then just go for it and get certified, because I think this is more of a opportunity right now, because this is new. So at this phase, it's high in demand. If you get the certification, it will prove that you have the knowledge. It will validate your skill set related to AI. And guess what? With this new skill set, with this hot topic, you can always get your promotion. You can get a new job with way better salary. So always think positive in this way. So I think that's all for today's video. Today I have tried to summarize like how this ChatGPT and AI is changing the IT job industry, and how should we prepare ourselves to embrace it and adopt the cloud AI solutions, and in this way we can make a better decision with our career. If you guys have any question or any doubt related to this topic, please let me know in this comment section, and I'm going to reply in a very short bit of time. So the last thing that I want to mention, that we all know that IT is a very dynamic field. It's evolving every day. So we need to learn. We need to spend time. We need to learn the new stuff. So do the same with this AI, because AI will definitely change the whole game. So why not we learn it every day, so that we will be completely up to date with this knowledge, and we can make way better move in our IT career. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming contents. Well, that's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.